What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the how-to channel, and today we're showing you how to use ChatGPT for your own benefits. Now, guys, there's plenty of ways to use this, okay? You can see I use an extremely amount of times on this, okay? There's so many chats that I use. But let's just show you quick examples. So you can put a sum in, all right? Not that I think ChatGPT should even be used for this, but I'm just showing you an example. 78 plus 5, and it'll give you the answer. Really, really quick, just like a calculator does. But you can actually extend these, not like a calculator. How can I make money on Fiverr? Let's go straight in. Fiverr is a freelance platform, so it'll tell you exactly how you can make money. Then all you got to do is get ChatGPT to do it for you. It's really that easy, guys. This language thing could do anything. If it knows how to make you money, it will make you money. Really as simple as that. You can do anything. You can ask it what the benefits are of eating this food. You can actually get it to write you YouTube transcripts, okay? Maybe I'm reading from one right this second. Who knows? And you can get it to, guess what? Code you a website. That's the kind of diverse things this could do. You can see this code here. So guys, please like and follow for more videos.